Welcome to the most informative, productive, and advantageous ChatGPT Expertise HD training course. We're privileged to provide you with the best information on this revolutionary technology. Our aim is to meet your expectations with the product. Get the hang of creating customer experiences, doing marketing campaigns, replying to customer support, and more. Here we have the deep-dive solution for utilizing techniques that will save time and maximize productivity. Video 1, ChatGPT Expertise HD Training Videos. Video 2, Foundation of ChatGPT. Video 3, Role of ChatGPT. Video 4, Tools to use with ChatGPT. Video 5, Statistical verification of ChatGPT. Video 6, Drawbacks, limitations of ChatGPT. Video 7, Significance of ChatGPT. Video 8, is ChatGPT capable of generating pictures? Video 9, how OpenAI is associated with ChatGPT. Video 10, how can ChatGPT contribute to digital marketing? Video 11, how can ChatGPT contribute to e-commerce? Video 12, will ChatGPT be beneficial for business people? Video 13, pros of using chatbots. Video 14, use of various chatbots in daily life. Video 15, case study on ChatGPT Expertise. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.